Hello everyone, again I'm come back with some interesting online course. Today we will gonna discuss about the iOS development courses, and you want more information about the online courses, then subscribe our channel Course Avatar, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so always we get updated whenever I upload a new video, whenever I come with some new courses. Subscribe our channel Course Avatar. So let's started. So our first course is iOS Shift and complete iOS app development bootcamp course. It's provided by the Udemy. Here you will learn to create your own app-based company, and you will become a familiar with the Xcode, Swift, UI Kit, ARK Kit, Coral ML, and you will work on the as a freelancer iOS developer. You may travel the world while developing the this app using the Apple new ARK platforms, and this course is for the people who wants to never written the code before and wants to make the iOS app. Then they definitely go for this course. It's a free of cost course. Go and check out the link. The second app course is the iOS Developer by Udacity, and here you will learn like topics like fundamentals of Swift and programming language used to create iOS apps, or Xcode or GCD and network queries. You will learn in this way. You learn the iPhone and app development courses. Here, this course is for the who doesn't have any prior programming knowledge and want to create the iOS app for the iPhones or Apple company. They can beginning they wants to begin their iOS developer career, then definitely go for this course. Go and check out. So our third course is a iOS 15 Shift 5 is a complete iOS app development bootcamp course that's provided by the Udemy. Here you will learn about some superb animations and graphic designs, and make it a simple compressed iOS concept like ARKT, and you are eligible after completing this course. You are eligible to apply for the junior developer position in technology company, and you can create your own portfolio also after the this course, completing this course, or while using learning this course. You can learn about the creating practical applications like Pokemon Go, WhatsApp, QuizUp, Yahoo Weather. Or this course is especially for the beginners who just beginning their career. Go and check out the. So our next course is a 10-day iPhone bootcamp course. It's a new iOS 12 and Xcode 10 course. Here you will learn about the fundamentals of or more complex ideas like machine learning, and here you will make your own apps and submit it on the application store. Make the app track Bitcoin pieces and make a joke big banking app, and using the machine learning deploy an app. You will learn. You are in this course, you are overloaded with the tons of information of the Apple app development, and this course is for the newbies in the programming or who wants to desire to create iPhone applications. They can go for this course. Go and check out the link. So our next course is a Swift 5 iOS application developers specialization course that's provided by the Coursera. Here you will learn to create your fully working applications and monetize them through the app in advertising and app purchase or subscriptions. Here you will learn topics like application development, Xcode, app stores, purchase, or iOS app development. After the completing this course, you will gonna get the professional certification program, and this course is for the who anyone wants to learn to how to create apps using Shift, and iOS should enroll in this course program, and you will learn about the subject starting in with the very fundamental, every fundamental, and or including the selling your apps or store on the stores over the courses in the classes. Go and check out the link given below. So next course, a complete iOS 12 and Shift developer course. So here you will learn about create to iOS any iOS app like becoming and a skilled iOS developer, create your own company or organization, and this course is a complete iOS 12 developer course. You will want to learn how you design your any app with the confidence or speed after completing this course. This course is for anyone who are interested in learning to create apps, or people who wish to develop apps to earn a living, like in an additional revenue, in a hobby. Then definitely they are definitely go for this course. Go and check out. So our last course is a intro to iOS app development course with the Swift. It's provided by the Udacity. Here you will learn the topics like Swift and Xcode and iOS app structures, use the view controls. Here you will learn the lessons like you will create the iPhone apps with the captures, discussions between you and your friend. Then you convert your voice into the chipmunk and their voices. This course is for the people who have the period knowledge of the programming, and who should you should be particularly familiar with the programming concepts such as variables, statements, loops, functions, or classes or objects. Who just need the who just to have a little bit knowledge about the programming, they definitely go for this course. Go and check out the. So here all the courses are ended, and the links of the all the courses are links given in the description box. Make sure you go and check out at that, and for which course you're gonna enroll yourself, comment it that also, and click on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get updated more about the online courses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, all of you.